Now we are going to talk about melt deformer. So let's create one object. First of all, let's create one sphere and make sure to press ND so you can see those edges and vertices. Now we will go to the front view and make sure to select this object and move this over here. The bottom of this one should be properly touch this red X line like this. And what we are going to do over here, we will increase the segments up to 60 because we want more segments to get this animation created by this deformer. Now let's go to the deformer and we will check out our melt deformer. So I'll bring this melt deformer over here and I'll apply this deformer to this pair. So after applying, as you guys can see, we will get this kind of melting effect. If you go to the object menu, the first thing option you will get is strength. Right now if I make this 0, as you guys can see, it's still, but if as I increase the value of the strength, as you guys can see, we will get this kind of melting animation. Now there are some other settings also, like you can adjust the radius also. Let's make this 50 so we can understand properly. Right now the radius is 50, I mean 100. You can do that to 50, or let's say, and then vertical randomness, you if you want, then you can decrease that also. If you make this 25 or let's say 24, as you guys can see, we will get this kind of results. Then you can adjust the radial randomness, melted size, you can increase the size of this melting animation, and you can increase the noise. Right now it's very less. If you want, then you can make this 100, so you will get this kind of effects over here like this in your animation. Now let's do vertical randomness 100. So as you guys can see, we will get something like this, and radial randomness also, let's say 100, and melted size, let's say 400, like this. So we will get this kind of structure. So if I see this animation now, I'll get something like this animation. Let's make this noise 50, so it would be a little bit nicer like this. And if you want proper results, then you can add one subdivision surface and you can move this pair inside this subdivision. So what it does, it will add some subdivisions, so your object will get a little bit smoother because it's getting more edges. And if you hit Ctrl R, you will get good results. So yep, that's the use of melt deformer.